Welcome to Natural Fluency.
Hi everyone. Starting today, your English sound changes. This is the hands-on practice for Inhale English up to the back of your mouth. And we're starting right now. Remember what I said last time? To get your mouth ready for this practice, you only need to change two things. First, lower your jaw slightly. Your upper and lower teeth should be about 1 finger width apart. That's the sweet spot. Second, rest the tip of your tongue lightly behind your lower front teeth. Don't push. Just let it sit there. Check the bottom right of your screen. I'm showing you exactly what this position looks like. Now, hold everything right there. Lips closed. Breathe only through your nose. Good. You're all set. Now let me walk you through how this works. There are 3 steps, and the mouth position you just set stays the same the entire time. Step 1. Get ready. This only takes 1 to 2 seconds. On the bottom left of the screen, you'll see a deflated balloon. Lightly tighten your lower belly and slowly exhale through your nose. Just let the air flow out naturally, like a balloon gently deflating. Step 2. Inhale listening. This is where it all happens. The balloon inflates. You hear the English audio, and subtitles appear at the bottom of the screen. Right at that moment, inhale quickly through your nose and listen as if you're drinking in the sound. Drive that air pressure up to the back of your mouth just for an instant. Then hold that pressure gently and let the air escape slowly. This whole step takes about 5 to 6 seconds. Step 3. Relax and repeat. Let go of all the tension. Take 1 or 2 easy breaths. Once you're reset, go back to step 1 and practice the same sentence one more time. Then move on to the next one. All right, are you ready? It might feel a little awkward at first. That's completely normal. But stick with it and you'll start to feel the difference. Let's go.
I hear a loud beep. I hear a loud beep. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. The room is bright. The room is bright. I reach for my phone to turn off the alarm. I reach for my phone to turn off the alarm. The silence feels peaceful after the sharp noise. The silence feels peaceful after the sharp noise. I lie still for a moment, I lie still for a moment. Listening to the quiet house. Listening to the quiet house. It is finally time to start the day. It is finally time to start the day. I reach my arms up high. I reach my arms up high. My legs feel long and heavy. My legs feel long and heavy. I stretch my back. I stretch my back. Now I feel awake. Now I feel awake. I rotate my ankles to get the blood flowing. I rotate my ankles to get the blood flowing. I toss the warm blanket aside. I toss the warm blanket aside. I sit up slowly on the edge of the bed. I sit up slowly on the edge of the bed. My feet touch the cool floor, giving me a small jolt. My feet touch the cool floor, giving me a small jolt. I stand up and walk toward the window. I stand up and walk toward the window. I pull back the curtains to see the morning sun. I pull back the curtains to see the morning sun. The world outside looks calm and fresh. The world outside looks calm and fresh. I head to the bathroom to wash my face and start my day. I head to the bathroom to wash my face and start my day.